Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing today? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video guys. Now in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually turn your white hair to black. Okay, so if you're having some gray hair and you are actually looking for a permanent solution, a solution that is actually very inexpensive and natural, you are in the right video, because this is actually going to help you so much to make your hair darker, shiner. It's going to grow out and it's literally going to stop breakage. Okay, so what I have here is charcoal. Okay, so you can actually get some charcoal. I got this charcoal, I bought this online. You can actually get some charcoal online. So you're going to be taking a good quantity of your charcoal depending on how long your hair is. If your hair is actually not too long, just this quantity is okay, because it's going to go round. But if you have a very long hair, you can take about 3 tablespoons of your charcoal powder, or you can grab some charcoal and blend it into a powder form. Alright, so the very next ingredient we're going to be making use of also is going to be honey. Now when it comes to the hair guys, honey moisturizes the hair, it prevents the hair from breaking, and it also helps to end split ends. It also helps to increase or improve your hair texture. So I'm actually going to be putting all of this honey into this charcoal, okay, for an effective result guys. So after putting that in, then I'll just give it a little time to stir and mix it up really good. Alright, so your charcoal has to be properly blended so that it doesn't just, hang on your hair. Okay, so just like what you've seen, this is literally what you're going to be needing. Yeah, okay, so we're equally going to be adding it up by putting coffee. Coffee will actually enable this charcoal paste work very well by making your hair super duper dark. Okay, so you can actually get a finger coffee just like this, or you can as well just get your coffee grain, blend it with a strong blender, and then when you're done blending, you would have to be turning it into the charcoal and honey mix. Okay, this is how it's going to be like. So you're going to give it time to stir, and then you stir it really good so that all of the ingredients are going to be dissolving. Okay, because you don't need something hanging on your hair while you rub this. Okay guys, so after that is done, you're going to be needing to use egg, and in this particular one you're going to be needing to use 1 full egg, both the white and the yolk. Okay, but for me I'm going to be using just a little quantity of this egg. Okay, now egg has a property which helps to, I have some egg here. Egg has a property which helps to, keep your hair from falling, and it helps to go into your hair follicles and repair your dandruff and also repair your fallen hair. So it helps to repair your hair follicles and then making your hair super duper thick. Yeah, okay, so this is it. Okay, this is just an amazing ingredient that would keep your hair strong and then turn it into black. Okay, so this is how you're gonna be applying this, guys. Yeah, for now I have this care for some smell, for example the egg whites, you know, and so the smell actually disturbs me, you know, because of my situation right now, should I say that? Yeah, so you excuse me to use my hands to show you this. Okay, so what you do is that you grab this paste and then you rub it onto your hair. Rub it onto your hair, especially where you have those white hairs, especially where you have those gray hair. So you rub it there and let it just, you know, go down into your hair. Okay, you would also make sure that this paste touches all of your hair if you want to convert all of your hair to jet black, like to #1 black. Okay, so make sure it touches everywhere, and then when you have actually applied it, you know, apply everywhere, and then you would put your head into a shower cap, like you wear a shower cap. Okay, so that this is actually going to get really effective and more, you know, it will actually make your hair darker the more. Okay, so when you apply it for, I hope it's not darkening my hands already. Okay, so when you apply this onto your hair, you can hold it for like 1 hour if you can. Okay, this is going to really help you to grow your hair. Not only will it help you to darken your hair, but it will also help you to grow your hair, and you are going to be happy with your result. So for this particular one, guys, if you must store this ingredient, do not put egg, because when you put egg it's gonna go bad. So mix the 3 ingredients first and then store it. It can be there for so freaking long, like you don't even need to store it inside a refrigerator. Okay, just store it in an airtight container. Just honey, charcoal and coffee, just the 3 of them. Now when you want to apply it, okay, you just scoop some out of it and then you put the egg in it and stir. So you do not put the egg in the one you want to store. So you apply this like that. So you can store it whenever you want to apply it, you can apply it. But the only thing that this does is that it's going to darken the hair that is out already, not the hair that is in the skin. Okay, so get that and go give this a go, and trust me guys, this is gonna be very effective, and it's going to do all of the job for you, and your hair is going to get darker. So guys, if you do love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel guys, share the video, and I will see you again. So be consistent and have a jet black hair. Turn your gray hair into black.